Jen says, I have 82,000 contacts all segmented by state. My emails are sent by time zone. Because I have 50 segments, how would I approach segmenting people further into additional segments? Like which type of emails they want to receive? It's like eating an elephant.
Well, anytime you have a really big project, you start with one little step at a time. So if you're eating an elephant, start with an ear. Silly joke. Anyway, but that's a smart question. So if you're segmenting through the 50 states and you want to sub-segment, you might want to actually create tags. So you might want to tag people, regardless of what state they live in, based on something that makes sense in your business. People who buy blue products instead of red products, okay? And this way you can say, send this email to people in Wyoming who like blue products. So the segmenting is the state and the tagging is the type of product that they buy.